Welcome to our lesson 8, that is HTML list. What is a HTML list? Now, most of you, I think you have seen in MS Word the numbering list and bulleted list. Numbering list like 1, 2, 3, 4 coming up, and bulleted list where some symbols you can see. So HTML provides us three kinds of list. What are they? They are UL, unordered list, OL, ordered list, and description list. Again, we can have a list inside another list. That is called nested list. Now let's see. Ordered list, we have to use the tag OL. Then unordered list, we have to use UL. There is one description list, DL, and the last one, which is the combination of all these lists, that is the nested list. For this, let's go to our code editor. And let's make a new file here only, and we'll just give the name list.html. This is a blank file. Similarly, we have to start writing the code. Let's change the title. And let's give the list here, write a list here. First, let's take a H1 here. Unordered list. We are going to create a unordered list here. The tag you have to use here is UL. The UL tag specifies that you are going to create a unordered list. Then you have to write the items, what items you are going to store in this list. For that, you have to use the tag li. Let's write some name of some animals. Again, li. And let's see. Save it. And let's open in the web browser. There we are. This is the default symbol that has come. If you can see something like a dice, this is a default symbol. This symbol is called dice symbol. You can change the symbol if you want. How to change it? Let's go to code editor. Here you have to give type. type equal to circle. Let's see what changes we get. First save it. There you are. Here's circle. Then one more you can get, that is square. SQUAR. Here you are. Basically, we can use these three kind of symbol. One is dice, circle, and square. With CSS, we can use some other symbols also, other icons also, which we shall learn in our CSS tutorial. Now, this is example of unordered list. Let's make one more ordered list. Ordered list OL. And let's take the same data here. For this, here also the list item will be same. You have to use the li tag only, but the content can be different. We can add some more content also. That's right. I have given the list here. I have added two more items here in this. And let's see. Save it. There you are. Here you can see it's coming up by number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here there is no numbering. So this is called unordered list and this is called ordered list. Here also you can make some changes, like you don't want 1, 2, 3, 4, you want A, B, C, D. Then you have to write here type equal to, let's say A, capital A. Once you write capital A, it will come like this, A, B, C, D. If you want small a, write here small a, type equal to small a. Save it and see. If you want Roman number, you can. Roman number, I think all of you know. That also capital and small both are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if you want small, you can give small. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, one more option you can do here. Let's give 1, 2, 3, 4. But I don't want to start from 1. I want to start from, say, 10. Start, say, 10. In this case, it will come 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There you are. If you give 5, it will start from 5. Default is 1. You don't have to specify start at 1 because it will always start from 1. I have given start at 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has come. This is called unordered list. The previous one, this one is called unordered list. We can have one more list, that is called one list inside another list. So let's make one more new list. In both you can make nested list, either OL or UL. Let's take OL. Now let's give here li. Now, inside animal, I want to make one more list. Then here again you have to write either OL or UL. Let's take OL only, ordered list. I'm going to, here also if you want, you can make one more list. Now let's see. There you are. 1 element, 1, 2. This if you want to change, you can change the inner list. Like let's give A. You can take it. Here also. Let's give A. There you are. It has come. This how you can make the nested list. We can have something like dt, dl, dt and dd. What is that? I'll explain you now. Let's see here a description list. This is the list that we are going to make. I will explain you the terms that we have used. Here DL. DL means description list and DT means description terms. Suppose we want to make a list like this. First item, then this is the description of that item. Second item, this is a description of this item. Sometimes we wish to use this list. It's not frequently used, but it's better that you know it. These are the tags that you are going to use. One is DL. DL means description list. DT means description terms. And DD means description details. This is the details and this is the term and this is the list. The list is the beginning and the end, and every time you have DT and DT. This all in the description list. So we have seen there are three kinds of lists, that is UL, OL and DL. DL is very less used, but it's better that you understand the terms and the tags that has been used. This all in the video today. See you in the next video soon. Thank you.